Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been following my channel recently, I just bought this 2023 Model Y. It's the second biggest investment that I've invested, so I will do my best to protect it. So with the last couple of videos, you know that the first thing that I did was PPF the car, and then I bought the mud flap, and also yesterday my wife and we did the installation on the car seats. And today in this video there's a company out there, I think Lasfit, also reached out to me and asked if I want to do a review on their floor mats, which I accepted it. So I'm going to do a quick unbox of the product itself, and I'm going to use it, and I'm going to review it, and I'm going to check to see the fitment of itself. You already know I already have the floor mat itself. I wonder if I can open it. Yeah, so you can see I already bought the floor mat already. See, it's really nice, really good. But I'm gonna try Lasfit and let you guys know my opinion on the quality and the fitment of it. Okay, so right now we're just gonna do a quick unbox of the floor mats. As you can see, the box is really nice. Usually we see like a company with a generic box, but this one, it actually has the name and I guess the mats, the safe and custom format floor liners, and it has a picture of it as well. So let's unbox it. So this one, it's 5-seater, so you get the driver, the passenger, and the rear seat. So I'm going to take out one by one so you can see it. This is the back side. Made out of plastic, I guess, and it looks really nice. Like the fit and the design. It's different from the one that I currently have in the car, definitely. And I guess this is the instruction that comes with it. Oh, it's taped together so they can get it off. 1, 2, 3. Please don't wear the flannel with the packages. Or just explaining to you, like if it has creases or it's folded, you know, it'll go back to its normal form. Not to worry about it. And this one right here, user's manual, like the instruction, the warranty itself. It's coming with a 45 days money back guarantee and a limited lifetime warranty in the event you are not satisfied with the product. So it's really hard to find a company that stands behind their product nowadays, so that's a good thing for us as consumer. So this is, I think this is the passenger. This is the passenger side. The logo, the design, flexible, and this is the driver. This is the driver's side. Looks like they 3D fit it. Really nice. Okay, so let's do the cargo one. Wow, look at the, I don't know if you guys can see the logo, but it's really nice. You can feel it. It's really good. It looks like just the logo itself. It's very, it's quality logo. And this is the back end of it. As you can see right now, as soon as that is in the box like that, I would have to just put it down, probably in the sun, so it can get the form back. And then the crease right here. But man, just the logo, I really love it already. So that's pretty much for the unboxing video. Depending, I don't know how the installation is. If it's really short, I might combine the two together. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the coming video. So right now we're just gonna install the cargo first. Let me move the cargo back a little bit so you guys can see it. There we go. Really nice fit. Perfect. Stay still, doesn't move anywhere. Perfect. Awesome. You still have access to the bottom. You want to see it? There you go. So I already have the the mat for that one. All right, so we're gonna go with the next one, probably like the rear. So next up is the rear. Wow, look at the fitment. It's perfect. Look, oh my God, every corner. Wow, perfect. Can't get any better than that. Everything lined up. Feel it. If you can come closer in, you can see it. Very nice. It's like perfect. Like they measured it exactly. Beautiful. Nice. Look at the back end over here too as well. And on the side, perfect. Perfect. Let me go grab the front passenger. I'm gonna do the passenger first. And let's see. Once again, perfect. Perfect fit. Really nice. Look at it. So we're not gonna be scared of the rain, water. Everything's here. Really nice. Okay, I'm gonna do the driver, and that's gonna make it a complete set. All right, so last but not least, the driver's side. Let's see. Wow, it's sitting very flush. You can see, really nice. Here to here, corner, edge to edge, perfect. Can't complain. This is like really good, huh? Okay, somewhere out there. No, okay. All right, so I'm really happy with the quality that I see and that I can touch and feel, and the fitment, the way how it fits according to the size of my Tesla. So if you're on the verge of looking for quality floor mats, give Lasfit a try. For sure, I know I really like it. So when you buy some, aftermarket item, you want to make sure that the quality is good and the fitment. And so far, by far, Lasfit has proven to me that they're designed for Tesla. They're made for Tesla. The quality, the logo, but most importantly, how they stand behind the product. That's very important for us as consumers. You don't want to buy a product from a company today and tomorrow they go out of business, or if you try to get in contact with them for certain like imperfections or return and they don't respond to your email. Okay, Lasfit, they stand behind the product. You know, if you're not satisfied, within 45 days you get your full money back, and at the same time you get a lifetime warranty. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions about this video or any other videos, please leave in a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.